Last year, you helped bring Lumin8 to market with almost 1,000 backers. Now we ask, what do you want to see for our next product launch? Well, we listened. Now introducing Lumin8 Full Spectrum. Full Spectrum features a waterproof 4-foot body, completely app controlled, RGB plus true white, a long-lasting and quick charging battery with a Type-C input. It's completely mountable with our Lumin8 plate. It's extremely durable, and most importantly, it's a whole lot of fun. With our app, you can control, synchronize, and program Lumin8 lights so you have full control over the hue, saturation, and brightness. Along with RGB, you get a 95 CRI, fully controllable Kelvin temperature. The app will even allow Lumin8 to change colors to the beat of your music. Our dynamic Lumin8 plate helps you mount your units wherever you please. With a 1/4 inch input and a flexible gooseneck, you can mount and adjust up to 4 units at a time. You can also use the mini tripod legs to stand up and light wherever you are. Lumin8 can also be used while charging. The battery can last over 12 hours and quickly charges with a USB-C charging port. Our goal when we designed Lumin8 was to give you all the creative control you need to easily create beautiful content wherever you are. Join us on our journey and be the first to receive Full Spectrum by backing our project only on Kickstarter.